day. It's Sunday. Sunday fun day. We've got some Morningstar Farms breakfast sausage, maple something. Air fried medley of colored potatoes, the little baby purple, gold, and red. Some super delicious leftover meatballs simmered in an orange marmalade mustard sauce. I'll have to get the recipe out for that. Look at this beautiful assortment of vegetables. I have green broccoli, orange carrots, purple carrots, yellow onion, miso soup to get some of our sea veggie and a little more savory, live bacteria, live enzymes, I should say, in the miso, fermented food. And we have natto somewhere that's not on the table yet, plus whole wheat English muffins. And yeah, we're gonna feast. Just gonna get the natto. 1 meal a day, vegan, plant-based. And Don, here's the natto. Look at that, perfect. He mixes it up with Dijon mustard and shoyu sauce. It's really good.